The old house, a weary 35-year-old single-story dwelling in Kuala Lumpur, had succumbed to time. Leaks plagued the roof, and mold crept along its uneven walls, a consequence of its awkward layout across 3 sloping levels. The cramped spaces felt suffocating, with ceilings a mere 2.8 meters high. Here, amidst the shadows, a dream of transformation began to take root. The renovation was a bold undertaking. The entire layout was ripped apart and meticulously reconfigured to prioritize privacy and create a clear hierarchy of spaces. Walls were knocked down, and a breathtaking solution emerged, raising the ceiling height to a staggering 5.5 meters. This involved installing a new perimeter of roof beams, supported by a network of 6 additional columns. The result? A metamorphosis. The house breathed. Openness replaced claustrophobia, and natural light, a once distant visitor, now flooded the rooms. But the architects craved more than just openness. They envisioned a seamless connection to nature, a sanctuary within the bustling city. Generous garden spaces were strategically woven into the design, offering direct access from every room while maintaining privacy. Stepping out wasn't an escape, it was an extension of the living space, a place where the coolness of greenery soothed the soul. This infusion of nature wasn't just aesthetically pleasing, it was a deliberate attempt to foster tranquility and a deep connection with the world outside the walls. Honesty and integrity were paramount in the choice of materials. Clay bricks, a timeless symbol of stability, formed the backbone of the house. Renowned for their thermal properties, they promised insulation against Kuala Lumpur's relentless tropical heat. Complementing the robustness of the bricks, plywood, with its inherent warmth and versatility, adorned the interiors. This wasn't about creating a sterile, high-maintenance environment. The embrace of raw, earthy materials celebrated their natural beauty and promised a space that would age gracefully. Here, extensive upkeep was traded for a timeless elegance, allowing the house to mature organically, ever true to its core. This marriage of material and craftsmanship promised an outcome that resonated far beyond aesthetics. The finished product wouldn't just be a house, it would be a haven, a space where authenticity and timelessness intertwined. It was a space built to enrich the lives of its inhabitants, a testament to the transformative power of thoughtful design.